To add and activate save battery at night routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap battery and then select save battery at night. Next, tap save button to add the routine to your routine list. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. Now, when your phone detects that you are sleeping and your phone is not being charged, this routine will be activated automatically. When save battery at night routine is active, your phone will turn on the power saving mode to help you save your phone's battery at night, and set the sound mode to silent so your sleep will not be disturbed by any notification sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.